Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing, a DIY, and a review. If that's not interesting to you, stay tuned. But please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get right into this video. Alright family, we're back, and the package is extremely heavy, and this package actually came from Yaheetech, and I'm going to give you some information about them shortly, but we're going to unbox this. And what I ordered is actually a bathroom cabinet, and it's in white, and again, that's what it looks like. Yaheetech vinyl. Hey guys, these are all of my different pieces, and as I told you, when I got something that has this vast amount of pieces, what I do is, and I got a piece here, and pieces there. Then we have this piece, that piece, and that piece. So these are all of our pieces. I'm going to use my table to do the first portion of this, and I'm going to just keep shifting stuff. So we're going to get this assembly started. I do use my instructions, you guys. So we're going to start with board 2 and placing our metal dowels, because we have wooden dowels and metal dowels. And two guys, see, all of my pieces are labeled. This is labeled B, and I know I'm going to be using these. This is labeled E. So I know I'm going to be using these up front. So, position piece number 2, and I got 4 of the metal dowels to actually add in. And as you can see, piece number 2. And you guys, I look at all of my pieces. As you can see, I have a marking here. I have a marking there. I have a mark there and there. I pre-mark my pieces starting off. Alright you guys, now let me tell you a little bit about Yaheetech. Yaheetech is an e-commerce company specializing in the sale of heavy goods, and they were established in 2003. And since then, they have grown into a next generation e-commerce enterprise. They operate globally, and they constantly develop new and in-demand products. The company goal is to become the leader in home and office supplies, gardening, sports and outdoors, and also pet categories as well. Now, Yaheetech has operations throughout the US, the UK, Germany, France, Spain, and China, which allows them to get your product to you very, very quickly. They operate throughout 48 of the states, which once again makes you receive your product quickly. You guys, I received my package within 2 days. From the day that the order was placed, I had it on that second day. Really was like a day and a half, you guys. So, but with that being said, Yaheetech's business, they give you quality products, fast delivering, great prices, and their principle is, and they only have one principle, and that is says, make your life comfortable. If you want to make your life comfortable, choose a Yaheetech and they'll give you a cozier life. I'm dropping all of Yaheetech's information in their website link along with their Amazon link down in my description box. All of their social information will be in that description box. Please go over and check them out. And once again, they do have home and office, indoor and outdoor as well, and they have some pet categories for you pet lovers. All right, we're gonna finish this Yaheetech bathroom 4-door cabinet installation. I'm gonna come back here in 1 second and give you some more information about this cabinet. Okay, now this Yaheetech bathroom 4-drawer cabinet, you guys, again, you know mine did come in white, but let me tell you a little bit about this product. This cabinet was constructed of harmless MDF, P2 compliant, and it's water resistant finish, which is supposed to have a safe and long-term use. The construction, you guys, is very, very sturdy. As you saw in the end of the video, I placed some items on it. I even set TT on it. We was moving around. It is very, very sturdy. And again, one great thing, if it goes in your bathroom, it is waterproof. It is great for space saving with the 4 drawers with the cutout handles and the 1 cupboard specialized shelf for you in there. It's easy to organize all of your toiletries, your toilet paper, anything to keep you from having clutter or give you a extremely clean line and neat appearance. The height is adjustable as well. You can adjust the heights of the shelf as well. And please, please, please make sure you go over and check out their products. I've been scrolling their site. They have a lot of very nice items, and based on the quality of this, you guys, I promise you, you would love, love, love their product. And two, family, if you're still watching Glam Queen of DIY and you haven't become a family member, I don't know what you're waiting on. Please hit that subscribe button here on the Glam Queen of DIY. You get an overload of glam high-end DIYs. You'll get a little bit of home renovations, anything in the form of do-it-yourself and step-by-step. You will get it here. So I expect to see you in the comments. Alright, you guys, the stand is finished, and I will say the instruction says it's about an hour. If you're doing this solo, say it's gonna be 2.5, almost 3 hours. But that's chalking it up that I had to take it apart, and I lost about 10 or 15 minutes on that, but it is finished. I'm going to show you where we're going to style it first, but you're going to come back and see this piece revamped all the way up too as well. Alright, you guys, this is my temporary house, and I've set a vase on it, and we're going to just leave it like this because they are ready. We're finna do some more changes to the bathroom, but this is what it's looking like. Don't mind this has to come out, and some more stuff is coming out here in our bathroom space. But this is what it's looking like. Make sure you do go over and check out Yaheetech if you'll need more storage for organization, and pick up you a couple of these. I will tell you, it actually holds a lot more than what you would think, but it also keeps everything hidden and neat as well. Guys, make sure you do come back to see this piece here styled here in my bathroom, the final finished look, because we do have some more changes we're undergoing here in my bath. But you guys, the piece does look gorgeous. Once again, never mind this here, it is coming out, so we can do some more changing out. But overall, you guys, this is a beautiful piece. Make sure you do check out Yaheetech and pick up you a few. Check out the way it will be styled in my home, all 3 of them, you guys, on the Glam Queen of Decor. And if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, the home of glam over the top tablescapes, Glam Queen of Decor, the home of all things decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, the home of unboxing reviews, hauls, and Glam Queen Vlogs, where you get my purely daily life. Make sure you do go subscribe. All those links are in the description box, and we truly do appreciate it. And you know your girl still cannot close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. And they do got catchers to keep the drawer from popping out. Stay blessed and always stay positive. I will see you in another video soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. And here is location number 2. You see, you guys, because my bed is so high, it's hard to find a nightstand. This stand is actually 34 inches tall, the same height as my bed. So that's why I was been looking for nightstands, but I'm gonna make these work. But you're gonna see them done 1000% differently when we style them here in my bedroom, you guys. But this is look 2 for where this stand will be housed.